A missile launched from North Korea could hit Washington, D.C. before you finish this video. Another waits silently beneath the waves, nuclear warhead locked and ready. This is North Korea's 2025 missile arsenal, and the number one threat is far more terrifying than you think. Let's begin the countdown with number 12. The KN-02 Toxa, a battlefield veteran still holding its ground in 2025. This tactical short-range ballistic missile has a max range of 124 miles and reaches speeds of 2,301 miles per hour. With an accuracy of just 0.06 miles, it's one of North Korea's most precise frontline weapons. Carrying an 880-pound payload, it's designed to hit military targets fast and hard. Built in 2004 and costing around $500,000, it's a budget-friendly missile made for mass deployment. The Toxa is based on the old Soviet Tokka missile, but North Korea gave it new life with mobile launch capability. It's small, fast, and perfect for surprise attacks near the border. In a war scenario, Toxa would likely be the first missile fired. At number 11 is the Hwasong-9, also known as the Scud-ER. It may be old, but it's still deadly. This medium-range missile can travel 620 miles and hit speeds up to 3,836 miles per hour. Its accuracy is about 1.86 miles, making it less precise, but that's not the point. The 1,102-pound payload is designed for destruction, and it can carry nuclear, conventional, or even chemical warheads. Built in 1994 and costing around $1 million, it's one of North Korea's legacy weapons. It's often used in large-scale drills to test saturation attacks against enemy defenses. The Scud-ER is mobile and easy to hide, giving it a dangerous level of flexibility. Its job is to overwhelm, not just aim. Taking the 10th spot is something much quieter but far more advanced. The Hwasong 3-31. This is North Korea's first publicly confirmed nuclear-capable cruise missile. It has a range of 1,243 miles and flies at 614 miles per hour, low and slow to avoid radar. Its accuracy is razor-sharp at just 0.02 miles, making it perfect for high-value targets. The payload is around 331 pounds, likely carrying a tactical nuclear warhead. Built in 2024, this missile costs less than $1 million, but delivers massive strategic value. Unlike ballistic missiles, it can be launched from land, or possibly even submarines. Its stealthy flight path makes it incredibly difficult to intercept. Hwasong 331 is North Korea's answer to the American Tomahawk. Now at number 9 we have the Hwasong-12, the missile that once had the U.S. island of Guam on high alert. This intermediate-range ballistic missile can fly 2,300 miles at a blistering 11,512 miles per hour. With a 2,205-pound warhead and an accuracy of 1.24 miles. It's built for long-range nuclear delivery, not surgical strikes. Developed in 2017 and estimated to cost $5 to $10 million, this missile is a key tool for threatening U.S. military bases across the Pacific. It's liquid-fueled, which means slower launch time, but its powerful reach more than makes up for it. Hwasong-12 has been launched in real-world standoffs, making it not just a threat on paper, but a proven weapon of intimidation. It sends a clear signal every time it's fired: stay out or face the fallout. Coming in at number 8 is the Hwasong-11B, better known as North Korea's version of the U.S. Army's ATACMS missile. It's a short-range ballistic missile with a range of 255 miles and a top speed of 4,787 miles per hour. Built in 2022 and carrying a 1,102-pound warhead, it's pinpoint accurate within 0.12 miles. Costing between $0.7 to $1 million, it's a battlefield weapon designed to take out enemy command centers, runways, and bunkers. The KN-24 is road mobile, solid-fueled, and quick to fire, making it ideal for rapid surprise attacks. Its boxy shape and flight profile are strikingly similar to American strike missiles, showing North Korea's ability to learn fast. When you see this missile roll out, it's not for a show, it's for a real punch to the battlefield. At number 7, meet the Hwasong-11A, a short-range ballistic missile that doesn't fly straight. It's designed to skip across the sky, dodging defenses with a quasi-ballistic path. With a range of 497 miles and speed up to 4,602 miles per hour, it can reach targets across South Korea and parts of Japan. It carries a 1,102-pound warhead, with a precision accuracy of 0.12 miles. Introduced in 2019 and costing about $0.7 to $1.2 million. This missile is engineered for tactical use but carries strategic weight. Its low-altitude, high maneuverability profile makes it tough to intercept, even for advanced systems like THAAD or Patriot. North Korea often fires this missile during military drills to simulate battlefield conditions, and it's always launched from mobile launchers, keeping it on the move and ready to strike. Kicking off the top 6 is the Hwasong-16, an intermediate-range ballistic missile that serves as the backbone for North Korea's next-generation systems. It can reach up to 2,485 miles and flies at an incredible speed of 9,153 miles per hour. Built in 2024, this solid-fuel missile delivers a heavy 2,205-pound payload with an accuracy of 0.19 miles. With a unit cost between $7 to $12 million, it's not just a missile, it's a launch platform for the future. Hwasong-16 is used to carry hypersonic glide vehicles and test new MIRV technology. Its solid-fuel design allows faster launches, giving opponents less time to react. While it hasn't seen combat, its presence in military parades and frequent tests show that it's a central piece in North Korea's evolving missile doctrine. At number 5, we have the Hwasong-16B, a game-changing missile equipped with a hypersonic glide vehicle. This advanced system can strike targets 2,485 miles away, reaching speeds of 9,153 miles per hour. Built in 2024 and costing $10 to $15 million, it carries a 1,102-pound warhead and hits with terrifying accuracy, just 0.06 miles. Once launched, the HGV detaches and maneuvers through the atmosphere at hypersonic speed, making it nearly impossible to track or intercept. The glide vehicle doesn't follow a predictable path, which renders most missile defenses useless. North Korea built this missile to defeat systems like THAAD and Aegis, giving it a first strike edge. The Hwasong-16B is more than a missile, it's a warning to every advanced defense system in the world. Breaking into the top 4 is the Pukguksong-5, North Korea's most advanced submarine-launched ballistic missile. It has a strike range of 3,107 miles and blazes through the sky at 15,345 miles per hour. Carrying a 2,205-pound warhead with 0.12-mile accuracy, this solid-fuel missile was built in 2024 and costs around $12 to $20 million. What makes it so deadly is not just the power, it's the stealth. Launched from underwater platforms like the Gorai-class subs, it gives North Korea a true second-strike nuclear capability. That means even if their land-based missiles are destroyed, this one can still hit back. Its cold launch system, high mobility, and reduced detection window make it a nightmare for early warning systems. Pukguksong-5 turns the ocean into a silent battlefield. At number 3 is the Hwasong-17, also known as the Monster Missile. This intercontinental ballistic missile can reach 8,078 miles, enough to strike anywhere in the United States. It flies at 17,576 miles per hour and carries a massive 2,646-pound payload. With accuracy around 0.19 miles and first built in 2022, this missile is a cornerstone of North Korea's long-range strike force. Estimated to cost between $15 to $20 million, it's designed to carry multiple nuclear warheads using MIRV tech to break through defenses. As the largest road-mobile ICBM on Earth, it launches from giant transporter trucks. The Hwasong-17 is both a military and political weapon, ready to unleash destruction on a global scale if deterrence fails. Just ahead at number 2 is the Hwasong-18, North Korea's first solid-fuel intercontinental ballistic missile. It's quicker to launch, harder to detect, and built for survival. With a 7,456-mile range and a top speed of 17,576 miles per hour, it can strike deep into the U.S. homeland. It carries a 2,646-pound warhead with sharp 0.12-mile accuracy. Built in 2023 and priced between $18 to $25 million, it launches from large TEL trucks for mobility. The Hwasong-18 is MIRV-capable, able to send multiple warheads toward separate targets in one strike. This missile marks a huge leap in North Korea's nuclear reach, made for sudden, precise, and devastating attacks. And finally, at number 1, we have the deadliest missile in North Korea's 2025 arsenal, the Hwasong-19. This intercontinental missile pushes the limits of speed, precision, and firepower. With a 6,214-mile range, 17,576 miles per hour flight speed, and a 3,307-pound payload, it's designed for serious impact. Accuracy is unmatched at just 0.06 miles. Built in 2024, this solid-fuel MIRV-equipped missile costs around $20 to $30 million per unit. It's built to outsmart the best missile defenses using decoys, glide warheads, or maneuverable tech. Hwasong-19 is not just North Korea's most powerful weapon. It's a mobile, fast-launch ICBM that could tip the balance in any global conflict. North Korea's missiles aren't just weapons, they're warnings. Each one is a message to the world. Be ready or be too late. Subscribe for more, like, share, and comment below.